Hey, welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to install a doggy door. This one is actually going to go in the siding versus just in the regular door. This is the one I used. It's a large and you can pick it up on Amazon. The way they make these things are so nice and easy. Look, they even give you a template. So you put the template up where you want after you mark your dog. All those instructions are where they're at. It kind of asks how tall your dog is and whatnot based on where it needs to be. And then you just pencil around where you want it. So now you can see what I'm doing is using the oscillating saw. I'm going to just cut out the drywall, and then we're going to be able to move the insulation out of the way. And notice this oscillating blade is not very deep. The drywall here is only a ½ inch, so you don't want to go too deep. You don't want to find any surprises. Okay, now that we got the drywall out of the way, we can move this insulation too. So we just kind of push it up, push it down, get it out of the way. Now what we can do is we can actually push the sleeve in there, and then you're going to see that this is a cardboard cutout. This also comes with the instructions. You can see that there's 3 little holes in there. I'm going to pull it out real quick here, but you can see there's 3 little holes. So you push that in there, and then what you can do is then you just mark 3 little holes there. You're going to now take a drill bit, drill all the way through that plywood and then out through your siding. So now you can put the template on the outside and you know exactly where it is. And it's perfectly level. And now you can pencil it, and now you can get ready to cut your siding perfectly. Okay, so now for the fun part. In my case, I'm actually having to cut through metal siding. It's not as much fun as cutting through, say, just like a regular vinyl siding, but this multi-tool did just fine. I got an actual metal bit on it, and it takes a second, but it'll be fine. Get right through it. And just like that, we've got a hole in the side of your house. Now, with that being said, there's not really that much left. So you're gonna put side A in. We're going to push that right in, and we're going to push side B in outside, and you're going to use the screws that are provided and the anchors that are provided, and you're going to just attach everything. There you go. Way to go. You did it. And if you don't mind, give the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it.